Hi, tomorrow I will have a chemistry test, then this video will be about chemistry. Isn't a video about my journey installing the Linux on my laptop. Today I did nothing about it. I did my math assignment and I was studying for the chemistry test. This is the math assignment. I learning geometry and linear systems. I wrote a lot. Very difficult, some exercises. But it isn't about it. The matter today is about chemistry. I'm studying organic functions in chemistry. I'm not so good in chemistry. I should study more. I should study more. I only read the book and I watched some videos talking about general chemistry in wax science and the chemistry maps. Wax science make videos about explaining generally the things like general physics in 40 minutes, general computer science in 17 minutes, general biology in 40 minutes. Then I watched the general chemistry to understand everything and know what I'm learning, what I have to learn, and what is chemistry. I watched the 3 videos in the wax science and the chemistry maps, a Brazilian YouTube channel about the same subject matter of wax science. This channel explains generally the things and other topics, other videos more further, but make general videos. Then I already know a little bit about this subject. Is the kind of the same subject as the past test that I made videos also about hydrocarbons and the carbon. But now is organic functions, the alcohol, the ether, the cetone, these things. I watched the general videos, but before I already read a little bit. I already studied in classes in alone in reading the book. Then I'm not so prepared, but I'm not so disprepared. I'm not. I will study more tomorrow in the classes before the test and making this video, but I could study more. I had other things to do. I'm having problems with school because my school have a poor education. I needed to go to school to have the presence to say that I went to the classes, but the classes is very bad. I learned nothing in the classes. Then, okay, I needed to have knowledge to do the test. But the knowledge that I needed to do the test, I get studying by myself, studying in the library, studying in my house, watching videos on internet. And I can't do it in school. I can't watch videos, read the books, get the knowledge that I need to do the test in school. But I need to go to school because I need presence. I need to have the minimum of 75% of presence. But in school I don't do nothing. I do nothing on school. Then I needed to do many things, and to do these things, I needed to study by myself, study in the library, study in my house, and I also needed to go to school. But the school spent too much time. I spent 5-6 hours at school. Then this isn't working. I need to. I can make a specific video about it, but I need to do my things. But to do these things, I need to go to school. But school don't make me prepared to do these things. This is a problem. Because without to go to school, I can't get graduated. Then I needed to miss some classes, I needed to do many things, and this isn't working. I'm trying to improve it. But the matter today is about chemistry. I studied about I don't know the vocabulary about chemistry in English. I know the chemistry vocabulary in Portuguese. The chemistry vocabulary is different between the languages. You can be understood, but is difficult, isn't the same thing. Then study the chemistry in Portuguese and English is different. I can't make this video so well because I studied this chemistry in Portuguese. Then the chemistry, the study of reactions. In chemistry we studied the reactions, the atoms, how the atoms have relations with other atoms and the molecules. They have the periodic table that says about each element. You have a total 18 classes of elements. The hydrogen is the most abundant element in the entire universe and have only one electron in the valence layer. All the elements in the first class have only one atom in the first layer and have the total 18. Then the 18 layer have each element have 18 atoms in the valence layer. Yes. Have the alkaline metals first, and in the 18 class, I think is the noble gases. Yes. But this isn't the matter of my test. I have the alcohol, and the alcohol is when you have the oxygen and the hydrogen making a hydroxyl. Yes, and the only simple connections. This is a alcohol molecule. You have the oxygen and the hydrogen and the carbon. You need this hydroxyl, I don't know the name, and the carbon doing only simple connections. I don't know the name in English, but it's connections. It is scaled saturated. When you have the duplo connection, you have unsaturated molecule, then this is saturated. You have the molecule of alcohol. Alcohol always have the carbon, and the carbon always has 4 connections. Then here have the 1 and the more 3. The carbon is always making 4 connections. If you see the carbon alone, it is making 4 connections with hydrogens. Always. It's always happening. Then what makes alcohol? Alcohol is the carbon with simple connections and the oxygen, the hydrogen, the hydroxy. And have the ways to say this each organic compost, each hydrocarbon, you have a prefix, an infix, and a suffix that have many ways to say the elements, the organic functions. Okay, it's more difficult than I thought to talk about chemistry, because I needed to have a specific vocabulary about chemistry that I don't have too much even in Portuguese. I think that I don't have enough. Then English is more difficult. I also don't study enough. Generally, the chemistry is the study of the reactions. I'm studying about chemistry. Today, I will have a chemistry test that I should study more. But I did what I did, and I will study more tomorrow before the test, and I know about alcohol, about hydroxyl, know a little bit about chemistry. I will do my best, and I had other things to do. I needed to fix what I said. Chemistry also isn't my main subject, the thing that I need to know. I need to know about the computer science, the mathematics, a little bit about physics. Chemistry isn't my thing, but I like chemistry. I hope you like it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.